How to download and play Minecraft on PC for free. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you want to play the Minecraft without buying the paid version, you can try for the free trial. So first of all, you need to open any of your browser and search for Minecraft. The first link will be provided by the official website of Minecraft, and from there you have to click on the link called as free trial. Even with the downloaded free trial, you can enjoy the Minecraft's dehydrated desert, building layouts and much more in the infinite world that you create. However, there might be some limitations on this trial. So for this now you have to scroll down a bit and click on the option of Windows and then scroll down and click on download now. This will download the exe folder on your device and then you can just double tap to open the installer and install it on your Windows. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.